Opening a bottle of water may seem like a simple task, but let me show you a quick and convenient way to do it. First, make sure you have a bottle of water with a twist-off cap. These are commonly found on most commercially sold water bottles. Start by gripping the bottle firmly in one hand, ensuring that your hand is clean and dry. Position your hand so that your fingers are securely wrapped around the cap. Apply a small amount of pressure, just enough to secure a good grip on the cap. Now, using your other hand, gently twist the bottle in the opposite direction to the cap. Rotate the bottle in a clockwise direction, while simultaneously turning the cap counterclockwise. Remember to maintain a firm grip on the bottle to prevent it from slipping. As you continue to twist, you will feel the resistance of the cap gradually decrease. This is a sign that the seal is being broken. Keep rotating until the cap loosens completely. Once the cap is loose, you can easily remove it from the bottle. Simply lift it away from the bottle, being careful not to spill any water. You may hear a satisfying pop sound as the cap comes off. Congratulations! You have successfully opened a bottle of water. Now, enjoy your refreshing drink. Remember, this method works for twist-off caps specifically. If you encounter a bottle with a different type of cap, such as a push-pull or a flip-top, the opening process may vary. In those cases, be sure to read the instructions or seek guidance to ensure safe and proper opening. Stay hydrated, and keep practicing your bottle opening skills. Cheers!